Okay, YouTube, we're back with another one. This one is grilled marinated shrimp. We're going to put this on skewers and we're going to cook this nice and slow and let it marinate. We're going to turn the grill on, grease it down real good, and let these shrimps fly. Okay, let's fire the grill up. Let's get ready to grill these shrimps. Let's go. Okay, the ingredients for this is really simple. 1 cup of olive oil, 1 lemon, we're going to juice it, 2 tablespoons of hot pepper sauce, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 pounds of large shrimp. We're going to peel them, devein them, and leave the tails attached. Now for the directions. In a mixing bowl, mix together all the ingredients. Place a little bit on the side for basting the shrimp later as they cook. Pour the remaining marinade into a plastic bag with the shrimp to be placed in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to continue to marinate. Preheat the grill for medium to low heat and then place the shrimp onto the skewers. Prep the grill by lightly oiling it. Cook the shrimp for 5 minutes per side until you're likely. Baste them frequently with the reserved marinade. There you have it, a beautiful shrimp skewer ready to be eaten or devoured. Always remember, love what you do and do what you love. And if you love this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till the next time.